Greetings everybody, this is Domingo with you today. Hope you're doing fantastic, and we are back on the rumble.com website. So this has updated a lot since my last video on here, and a lot of people have been asking me questions about, can you organize playlists, can you like videos, can you save videos for watch later, can you live stream? Those are the questions that I'm going to best as I can answer for you on this video. And then I'm also going to release an updated tutorial video from Rumble's iOS app because they have changed a lot since then, so I'll release them as updated videos. So as you can see here, the page has changed, and I know this page mostly supports Republican channels and other channels that support different viewpoints other than the ones that everybody else has. Now, let me just be clear. I'm not into politics, so this is just a tutorial video that will just tell you how to use the site, and with the best of my ability, I'll show you everything you need to know here. So, this is the desktop version of the Rumble site. I did previous tutorials with the mobile apps, and they'll be in the description below. And there will also be playlist links at the end. So we're just going to go through and just look at the top portion here. So the three lines here show my feed, editor's picks, trending, licensed videos, and then these new ones here where it has OS default, dark mode, light mode. It's currently on dark mode right now, but you can switch between light and dark mode. So we're just going to switch to dark mode for the sake of this. And then it also shows the subscriptions here. These are just some example subscriptions that I have just subscribed on this channel just for kicks and giggles. And then it also shows here like playlists of videos. So these are like news, viral videos, podcasts, and then finance, the battle leaderboard, entertainment, and that sort of thing. And then it also shows different categories like sports, different gaming videos, and then these are just different features like a video player, video exchange, video hosting, manage and monetize, and so forth. So if you go to my feed here, it will go exclusively to your exclusive feed of videos. So these are from your subscriptions. If you subscribe to these channels, this is what you get on your feed, and that is generally what your subscription feed is about. And you'll see it right here from only the channels you subscribe. There's no recommendations or other channels. It just shows what you subscribe to. And then it'll also have a section called editor picks, where you can go into the section where the editors of there pick out certain videos, and you can look at live coverage, videos, and that sort of thing. It shows how many rumbles it has, the date uploaded, and that sort of thing. And then you can also go to trending, where it shows the trending videos on the site that is picking up a lot of traction. So you'll see some videos that have like a few 100,000 views, and then the channels here have like the verified check mark that they're a verified channel on Rumble, and that sort of thing. So this shows just all the feeds and all the videos that you see there. And then it shows here you can sort by most recent, number of views, and the date shows today, last week, all time, duration, and then any license and that sort of thing. So you can go to license videos here, and then it goes into a certain section. We're going to wait for that to load. It shows here licensed viral videos. So this is a different section than what I've seen. It says here, easily licensed viral videos for your TV show, social media page, or website. Use the filters below to find a video clip you'd like to license. So let's see, go to the video page, click on license now, select your license, pay for it, and download the file to use. So basically you can pay to license viral videos on your page and all that. You just have to pay for the usage of the video there. And it says you would like to set up a licensing packages, email the licensing team, blah 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 blah. So that is generally what you do there, and that's a new section. And then here it shows upload or stream file or go live. So I've already explained this before. The going live requires you to pay for it here, and I think it's changed a lot now. Okay, so it has changed a lot now. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up a live stream. So you can go to rumble.com/live. The link will be in the description, or no, you can set a new live stream above. So we're going to click set up a new live stream, And then it says here, it says here, live streaming is available on all paid plans or for accounts with more than 100 subscribers. Okay, so I don't have 100 subscribers on my Rumble channel, but if you'd like to subscribe on my Rumble channel so that I can have that feature, go ahead, because I currently cannot use it right now because I don't have more than 100 subscribers or a paid plan. So if you'd like to help me out, you can subscribe to the Rumble channel so that I can make a tutorial on how to live stream, or you can just test it out for yourself. Because right now I can't. I can't do it right now because I don't have that many subscribers. So my account overview shows here. That's just my earnings. And then stats and analytics, I'm just going to bring that up here. I'm trying to figure out how many subscribers that I have. So I'm just going to go to my channel here. And then we're going to go to my content. So I'm just going to go here. And then it shows all the monetized videos that I have here. So like this channel is barely been used. I mean, I upload a few videos here and there, but I don't have enough subscribers. So there's account verification, account options here. I can't see the number of subscribers that I have here. Like if I can go to, let's see, rumble.com/TheRealDomingo. I don't know if it'll actually take me to the Rumble channel. Okay, so it actually did. So I only have 9 subscribers. So if I had, let's say you go and subscribe. Let's say if I had 90 more subscribers, then I'd be able to get the live streaming feature. So I'm going to include the Rumble link into the description of this video, so that way you can subscribe to the channel. Like if you have a Rumble account, you can subscribe to my channel, so I'll have 100 subscribers and I'll be able to show you the live streaming feature right away. So if I don't get 100 subscribers right away, then I can't show you, because I'm sure there are a lot of other channels that have it and that they can show you, but for me, I don't have that many subscribers yet. I would need at least 90 more or even more in order for me to show you. But this is generally what a channel looks like. So if you go to rumble.com/ and you type in the username there, then it will bring up your channel and it'll show the content you subscribe to, and then also the current videos that you see here, views, how much you've earned from them, that sort of thing. And then you can go to videos, then you can go to channels, and then you can search for channels on that section. So I've already explained like my content, licensed videos, and here's how to upload a video. So I'll show you how to upload a video as an explanation. So the maximum file size you can upload is 15 gigabytes. So what you do is you go here, and then let's just say you have a video that you want to upload. So I have, let's say, I have a few videos that I want to upload here. Let's just say for YouTube upload, and then for my main channel. So I'm just going to upload my intro video here, and then we're just going to go, and you can also drag and drop it, so that way it goes onto there and then it uploads right away. So let's just say it shows here intro video test, and then you can enter test video upload, and then you can choose your own video thumbnails, or you can choose the 3 thumbnails that it gives you. So let's say intro HD Rumble test Domingo MP4, let's say custom intro, that sort of thing, and then you can choose the thumbnail. So I'm going to choose that one as my thumbnail, and then you upload to my channel, and then we're just going to go to upload, and then it uploads right here. So it has here let's just say video management exclusive. Let's just go Rumble only, and then let's just say me, and then yesterday, and then youtube.com/Domingo0022iWay. That's my YouTube channel, and then we are gonna go submit, and then it'll submit that, and then once it's submitted, you can look at the link here. This is the Rumble video link. It shows the code here, and then it can be embedded, and then you can just view intro test here. So this is the processing part. So it says here, wait for an encoding server to claim video, and then you can usually give it a rumble +1 or minus, and then that's what you do. So we'll give it a rumble there, and then it'll show up on here. And then these are your player controls, where you can slide it back and forth here. Shows the time code, shows the volume, shows you can go speed, quality, and then this goes mini player, and then this is full screen or theater mode, and then this is full screen. Then you can press escape to go full screen, and then this leads you to the Rumble site again here, and this takes you back there. So if you subscribe to my channel, up here you just click on the link where you click the video, and then if you subscribe to the channel, I'll be able to show you how to do live streaming on Rumble. So that's it. That's the explanation video for you today. So I hope you have a good day, and I hope this helps, and you take care now. Bye bye for now.